When people in Nevada are released from prison, they automatically get the right to vote back, but several other civil rights, such as owning a gun or serving on a jury, remain out of reach. To get those rights back, you need a pardon. And on the 2020 ballot, Nevada voters will have a chance to vote on a proposal, Question 3, that would make significant changes to the process of granting a pardon. You might be familiar with how the US president can grant pardons or commute sentences. The governor of Nevada has a similar pardon power in the state constitution, but it's structured in a slightly different way. The Nevada Constitution says the governor has to work with the Attorney General and members of the state Supreme Court to, quote, remit fines and forfeitures, commute punishments, and grant pardons after convictions. But unlike the president, who makes pardon decisions unilaterally, the governor has to work on what's called the State Board of Pardons. The board meets once or twice a year, and any decisions are required to have the governor on the prevailing side. So what would Question 3 do? First, it would require the State Board of Pardons to meet quarterly every year, as opposed to just once or twice. It would also remove the effective veto given to the governor, and allow for any majority of the 9-member board to count when making decisions. It also expressly allows any member of the board to bring matters forward, as opposed to just the governor. Those changes are expected to increase the workload of the Pardons Board support staff, with an expected cost that could potentially reach up to $250,000. But supporters say the changes are worth it, and they argue that requiring the Pardons Board to meet more often and removing the governor's effective veto will expand and increase the number of pardons the state can issue to worthy candidates. For more on Question 3 and other 2020 election news, check out the NevadaIndependent.com.